Hello friends, this is a new Excel problem for all of you. You can see there are three headings with different sports name written on it like soccer, hockey and rugby. Below that header we have some states which are associated with these sports. Okay, for example, these states are associated mainly with soccer, these states mainly with hockey, and these states mainly with rugby. And then there are certain states which are associated with more than one sport. Now, based on this particular table, right, we have to find out the sports played by these states, right? Now, to do that, we will use a formula. So the formula will be is equal to text join, right, delimiter. I will put my delimiter as comma. You can put any delimiter of your choice. Then there is another option whether I want to ignore the empty cells or not. So I will put true because I want to ignore my empty cells. Now I will put another comma. Now when it comes to text 1, you have to put another formula inside this text join formula, that is if, right? If logical test, if this text, right, is equal to this range, that means if this particular text is available in this range, right? So let me make this range absolute first, like this. Then value if true, give me result from here, right? So let me make this absolute as well, and I will put comma, value if false, right? And if it is not available, then give me blank, right? And I will close my bracket like this, and I will close my bracket once more like this, and I will press enter. So once I press enter, you can see it has retrieved the sports played by Alaska, that is soccer, right? So Alaska is present here, and Alaska is present here as well in hockey, right? So it has retrieved both the sports name. So let me drag it down like this, right? For Pennsylvania, you can see it is available in rugby, it is available in hockey, and it is available here in soccer as well. Now I have this data in combined format. What if I want to separate this data? So we'll use another function, right, just before that, that is text split, right? So text split, and I will select my text like this, and I will put a comma, and it is asking me column delimiter. So if you remember, we have put the delimiter as comma, so I will again put a comma over here, and I will close the bracket and press enter. So now it has split like this. So if I drag it down, you can see for Alaska, the sport 1 is soccer and the sport 2 is hockey. For Pennsylvania, the sport 1 is soccer, sport 2 is rugby, and is followed by hockey. And in Nebraska, there's only one sport, that is soccer. Hope you have liked it. Thank you very much.